Yeah, this is Texas weather, you know.
This is the good side.
Yeah, what are we doing, about 80? Yeah, great, okay. So, you know, we just went through a totally hellacious hailstorm. Whiteout. Absolute whiteout. And we're going to go catch up with it again, I think. I'm not quite sure, but the weather here in Texas is absolutely amazing. Big weather. We're watching things that want to be funnel clouds and horizontal hail and, you know, 80-mile-an-hour winds, whiteout, pushing buckets of rain, and that's all part of, you know, your average vacation. Oh yeah, look at that. But the light is absolutely really nifty right now. I was too busy with the hailstorm to take photos, but you know, like the camera was in the trunk, so I didn't, you know, I had to go back and grab it when things cleared up. But it looks like things are going to get interesting here pretty soon. Look at that.
Oh, look at that squirrel. Honey, this is bad.
Yeah. It's the squirrel pop.
That's really bad.
Oh, right. Like it, you know. No, it's not going, it's not touching down, so yeah, don't worry. There's a rainbow.
And it's pretty.
And it's pretty. It's the rainbow of death. Yeah, not really, but
Rainbow's got to go. Never come here again.
something like that. These clouds are really low.
Really low, they're really moving in their school.
I'm not super anxious to go driving into that stuff over there, so I'm just going to hang back here for a while and kind of follow this storm because it's blowing right to left. Before it was blowing left to right, so you know the stuff that up, it's just really, really, really wacky. You can tell by the spray coming off the trucks what kind of crosswind we got going right now. Golf balls, that's a problem.